Hey, this is David, and welcome to the Tuesday Topic. Now, we know there's a lot of bad advice and information out there, and some of that bad advice is that you should open up a bunch of small loans and make the payments on time to help raise your score. Now, there's not a one-size-fits-all answer, but most of the time, that is not a good idea. Every time you open up a new trade line, it decreases your length of history and causes your scores to go down. On top of that, you're going to receive a new account penalty, and it's going to take several months before that new loan is starting to help. Now, if you make enough payments over a long period of time, it'll start to slowly raise your score. But with a small loan, it's probably going to be paid off in the next 6 to 12 months. And by the time it's paid off, it's not doing much to help your score at all. Now, a big thing with banks too is on a loan, you're going to be paying interest, and there's no point wasting and throwing away money when it's not necessary. And so on our end, we have a bunch of tricks where we can help raise your score without you wasting money on interest. And so if you have any questions at all, give us a call. We have an expert team of credit advisors that are here to point you in the right direction. And as always, if you have any questions or comments you want to hear us talk about, leave them below, and we'll see you next week.